Hello viewers, how are you? I know you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today we will learn about auxiliary verb. So the means of auxiliary verb is helping verb. So auxiliary verb, what is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is a verb which help the main verb and change its meaning and form. So we know there is no meaning of auxiliary verb in a sentence when it is used as auxiliary verb. Only the work of auxiliary verb is to help the main verb. I think you understand. So auxiliary verb are two kinds here. First one, primary auxiliary verb, and then modal auxiliary verb. So primary auxiliary verb are three kinds. First one, to do verb, and second one, to be verb, and third one, to have verb. So we have to know what are the do verb, what are the be verb, and what are the have verb. So let's go. We learn this. So to do verb. To do verb are do, does, and did. It's a primary auxiliary verb. So first one, to do verb. So do, does, did. And second one, to be verb. Am, is, are, was, were, and been. And third one, to have verb. Have, has, had. Okay, guys. Now we will know the main verb uh, after this primary auxiliary verb. Which main verb will be stand. So first one, after to do verb, we can use only the present form of verb, present form of main verb, and then to be verb. After be verb, we can use only the present form with ing, that means present participle from, and past participle from. We cannot use only past form or only present form. We have to use present participle from here. When we will use ing after this present form, it will be called present participle. So next one, to have verb. So after have verb, we have to use only past participle from. We cannot use present from and past from, or present or present participle from. So only have to use only past participle from. We have to remind it. Do you understand? Okay, next, modal auxiliary verb. So here you can see the modal auxiliary verb: shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need to, and dare to. Again, you can hear shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need to, and dare to. So after this modal auxiliary verb, we have to use only the base form of main verb. We cannot use past form besides past participle form. So we cannot use these two forms of verb, past form and past participle form. Besides this, we cannot use the present participle of verb. So we must use only present form or base form. Do you understand? I think you all have to learn this auxiliary verb, because without this auxiliary verb we cannot use any sentence. We cannot express our mind feeling So we have to learn this auxiliary verb clearly and properly. Goodbye, guys. Guys, thank you. See you next day.